All right, hello everybody. This is going to be a math video. I haven't done just a math video yet. I mean, we do a lot of math in calendar, but this one's just about math, but it's just about actually a program that has math on it. This is Matific. I have sent your parents all of the information about Matific. And parents, if you want to listen to this video too, that would be great. It would show you what Matific has to offer. So everybody has a login when you go to the login for Matific, boys and girls. Your login is the word Panther, Panther, and then your number in the classroom. So if you are number one, then, which I think Aubrey's number one, then her login would be Panther 1. If you're number two, then yours would be Panther 2. Okay, so that's how you log in. Then there's going to be a password. All right, and I have emailed the password to all of your parents. The password is just 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So it's very simple to get on. And if you don't know your number or it doesn't work, just tell your parents to email me and I can figure it out. But Miss Thompson's going to log in right now. Mine's different than yours. I'm going to type in my password. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to use Matific, okay? All right, so when you go into Matific, this is what you're going to see. Well, as soon as it loads. This is what you see when you log in. You're going to see this. You're going to see a map, and there's monsters on the map, and you're going to figure out the math problems, okay? And you are going to help save the monsters. That's going to be your job. So here's a little monster. We have to wait for it to load. Anytime. There it is. And it tells you the story about the monsters. It says, in a special place on a distant planet lived families of exceptional monsters. One day they were discovered by a mathemagician who wanted to keep his findings for himself. He cast a spell that separated all the monster families. And he hid the monsters and locked treasure chests deciphered by math riddles. 50 years later, a tribe of explorers found a map to those chests. That's you guys. Are you brave enough to solve the math challenges? Can you bring the monster families back together? And then it starts you down here on your path. So you're going to be on this little path and you're going to play games and help save the monsters. Every time you play games, you get points, you rescue more monsters. Okay? So I want you to play your games and work really hard. Now, there was one game I wanted to show you today. See if I can find it. That has to do with subtraction. I want to just show you how one of these games worked since we've been learning about subtraction. There's all kinds of games on here. If I can't find it this way, I will find it on the other screen. I know it has a school bus on it. Let me see. There's a lot of fun games on here. There it is. No, that's the adding one. I don't want the adding school bus. I want the subtracting school bus. The taking away school bus. And you're going to help me. If you have paper and pencil, I'd love for you to have it right now. If you don't have paper and pencil, can you press pause and go ask your mom for a piece of paper? Man, there's so many games. Are these all kindergarten games? Maybe not, because this is getting a little, this isn't right. No. All right, you know what? We're going to close the map. I'm going to go, I know where I can find it at. I found it earlier. Yours will look different. All right, subtracting. Here it is. It's called Hop on the Bus. Now, you don't have to play this game. I'm just showing you one of the games. You're going to play your path. Okay, so here's the bus. Do you have your paper ready? I hope everybody has their paper ready. I'm going to try to draw. It says, what a beautiful morning. Let's pick up the neighborhood kids and drive them to school. And so then we can say, let's go. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it makes noise. When you play, you'll be able to hear it. All right. It says, Help me count the students getting on and off the bus. Ready? So we have to see how there's these arrows right here. We have to open the bus doors. 1, 2, 3. So how many kids got on the bus right here at stop A? How many was it? Do you remember? Was it 0 kids? 1, 2, 3? It was 3 kids got on the bus. Good. So we're going to click 3. You got it right. Now, this 3 got on at stop A. Now, on your paper, I want you, hopefully it lets me. I don't know how this works. Let's see if we get, I've never done it this way. We're going to draw 3 people. So 3 people got on the bus, okay? So let's draw 3 people. I'm just going to draw little people like this. I'm not going to draw the details right now, not their hair and our faces, just 3 little people. Okay, are you following? Are you drawing 3 people? Because that's how many people got on the bus, right? All right, so there's our 3 people on the bus, right? Okay, good, it stayed there. Now let's open the door. Watch what happens now. How many got off the bus? Did you see? All right, if you weren't watching, let's watch it again. How many got off the bus? 2 got off the bus. So let's answer it and put 2. Okay, so if there were 3 on the bus, right? And then 2 got off, how do we show that we're taking them away? Who remembers? What have we been drawing to show that we're taking things away? We've been making X's. So 1 got off, 2 got off the bus, right? These 2 got off the bus. How many are still on the bus? How many is it? It's 1. There's 1 on the bus. Let's see if you're right. We're going to click here. We're going to make 1 on the bus. We got it right. Let's see. There he is. That's the 1. Do you see how this game works? It's really fun, and there's lots of games like this. And if you click this, it'll just take us to another one. Now, we're not going to do any more right now. We're not going to do any more right now. But you can play if you log in. So let's go back. I want you to know that when I go back, I can see. Oh, no, not this way. Well, anyway, I can see who has done it. So I can see right here, when I go back up here, I can see that 6 kids have been working on Matific. It says six students completed these assignments. So I can see that you guys are starting to work. If you haven't got on Matific, it might be something fun to try today. You can ask your parents. Okay? But I've sent an email explaining how to get in, and if they need help, they can email me. All right, everybody, good job on your math. Maybe we can do another one of these next week too. This was fun, and I can pick another game to show you. Great job, everyone.